We love homemade ice cream, and it's even better when you have homemade waffle cones and waffle bowls to go with it. These waffle bowls are super easy to make. I did purchase the waffle cone iron on Amazon, and I will link it below. It comes with the waffle cone form. For this recipe, you just need to combine 2 eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup milk, and 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Mix that together, then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2/3 cup of flour. You can substitute gluten-free flour if you prefer. Mix that all together, then dump by little less than 1/4 cup full onto the preheated waffle iron. Bake until the light goes off. I use setting number 4. When the light goes off, immediately remove this and form your bowls. I use an extra large muffin tin and a smaller bowl on top. Don't leave the top bowl on for too long or else it'll start to sweat. Just give it enough time to form the bowl shape. Then remove it and let these sit at room temperature to kind of dry out. To make the ice cream, I just use an ice cream maker I also purchased on Amazon years ago, but I'll link it below. It's held up really well, and during the warm summer months, we've been known to use this a few times a week. This ice cream maker is very user-friendly. Just remove the center bowl and store that in your freezer until you're ready to make your ice cream. The recipe for the vanilla ice cream is super easy. I think it came with the ice cream maker. All I use is 1 cup of milk. The recipe calls for whole milk, but I use 2%. 3/4 cup sugar, 2 cups heavy cream, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I love to use my homemade vanilla for this, and I'll link that recipe below. I combine the sugar and the milk and mix that until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then I add the heavy cream and vanilla and mix. Then just pour this into your frozen bowl, place that in your machine and turn it on and let everything mix for about 25 minutes. When it's finished, remove this, cover with plastic wrap, and store the bowl of ice cream in your freezer until you're ready to use it. Serve this up in your homemade waffle cones or bowls and enjoy. Thanks for watching.